In this video, we will learn how to insert text in Adobe Illustrator. The tool that will be used is the tool type. Click the icon. Then click anywhere on the artboard. Write something. To resize, hold down Shift and drag on the corners. Or you can set the font size on the character menu. This is the place to change the font type. There are many types of fonts available. This is the second option. You can choose bold, thin, or italic. This is the place to set the spacing between lines. And this is to set the spacing between letters. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Please click like. Getting likes from you will help YouTube recommend this video to other friends. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.